What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the tournament bracket like this. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the very first step you can do, you can open this insert and go to this smart art, and there are a lot of graphics over here. And to create this bracket, so you can go to this hierarchy and choose this one, the horizontal hierarchy, and click OK. Previously, when you would like to create this bracket, so the alignment usually from the left to the right, and if we would like to create it from the opposite, so you can select this bracket and click this right to the left. So this will be the bracket we have, and you can do the editing for this. For example, I want to create this one, let's say for the quarterfinals, semifinals, finals, and also this is the winner. So for example, I will start to add the group over here or below this one. So I will select this bracket and give it a right click and go to add shape, and for example I will choose this add shape before. So this will be the another group before that will be the opponent of this, let's say for this group guys. And after that I will start to add some group that will be participating in this quarter group. So for example I will start it from this, select it and give it a right click and give it the add shape below, and I will do the same. To the another group like this. And for example, I will start to add two or make it into a two group. For example, I will start it for this one and click add shape and click add shape before, like this. So for this group that will be participating into the semi-final will be in this group that winning the quarter group guys, or the quarter finals. And you can continue to create the another bracket like this, and this will be the last one. So this will be the tournament bracket we have now, and if you would like to do the editing with it, so you can start to, let's say, move it a little bit. I will choose it to become the square. So to make it easier to move. And after that, if you would like to give it the text over here, so you can click this, give it a right click and edit text. For example, Real Madrid. And for example, I will type the PSG, MU, and for example Boca Junior. And for this one, for example Munich, and this one will be for example Chelsea. And for this one I will choose the, for example, Gamba Osaka. And for this one, for example, will be, I would say maybe the FC Porto, like this. And for example, the winner will be the PSG, and this will be the MU, and this will be the Chelsea. and this will be the Porto. And for example, for the final, there will be MU again. Who's one of you is the Mancunian? You can put the comment in the comment down below, guys. And for example, I will choose Porto, and the winner is MU, for example. So this will be the tournament bracket we have, and don't forget to try into your Microsoft Word. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.